Hello dancers! Today we are doing everything hip related. So BachaTUyYO will be doing our circles, mahaos, every possible shape that you can imagine. Go make some room, grab a friend. Let's go. Figure 8 in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic. Let's go. First shape, hip circles. In place first. Small base. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open base, middle. Good. Transfer your weight at the end. One more time. Good. Walking basic, Culitos. 1, 2, 3. Quadrado, box step. 1, 2, 3. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Forward and back. 1, 2, 3. Basic. Second shape, figure 8, okay? 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Walking. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Majao, in place first. 1, 2, 3. Open base, medium. 1, 2, 3. Medium with transfer of weight. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Basic with Majao, sorry. Again. 1, 2, 3. Hip, hip, nothing. Good. Cuadrado, Majao. Basic. Basic double time. Wait. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Alright, next step or next hip movement is Contra hips. Let's go in place. 1, 2, 3. Open base medium. 1, 2, 3. With transfer of weight. 2, 3. 5 with basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Quadrado. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7 again. With basic. 1, 2, 3. One last time. Give me a turn. Basic. Alright. Let's do figure 8 in place again. Figure 8 in place. Figure 8 basic. Good. Majao in place. Majao basic. Culito in place. Culito with basic. Okay, in place, basic. 2, 3. Just in place, give yourself a little bit of room. What we will do now is crunch and release, okay? Crunch, release. Crunch, crunch, side to side. Tap, tap, tap. Together, super small circle. Crunch, release. Crunch, release. Crunch, legs straight. Basic. 1, 2, 3. One more basic. Normal turn. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Great job, guys. And this is how you practice your hip movement basics. Save this video so you get to practice your fundamentals every day or at least 2-3 times a week like every great dancer does. If you want more body movement or footwork and styling, check out this entire playlist over here. And if you're actually ready to challenge yourself more, meet me in this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you're ready to grow with me from the basic bachata mechanics to the most advanced moves. I got you covered. But with BachaTUyYO signing out, I will see you in the next video. Mwah.